Understanding the phrase, heroes return. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, heroes return, and understand its meaning and usage in English. This phrase has a powerful connotation and is used in various contexts. Stay tuned to learn more about it. The phrase, heroes return, often implies the comeback of individuals who have accomplished great deeds, especially after a period of absence. A hero, in this context, isn't just limited to the traditional sense of a superhero, but can refer to anyone who has shown remarkable bravery, achievement, or virtue. The return can be literal, like coming back home from a journey, or metaphorical, such as a return to prominence or success after a downfall. Historically, the term hero comes from ancient Greek, where it was used to describe demigods and legendary figures. The concept of their return often signifies the end of an adventure or a quest, evoking stories like that of Odysseus coming back to Ithaca. In modern times, this phrase can be seen in literature and media, symbolizing triumph and the conclusion of a significant challenge. Let's look at how to incorporate heroes return into sentences. After years of research in Antarctica, the heroes return to share their findings. The soldiers or heroes return from a mission, greeted with respect and admiration. When the team won the championship after decades, it was a hero's return moment for the fans. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to various scenarios, always signifying a meaningful comeback. In many cultures, the return of heroes is celebrated and honored. It's a universal theme that resonates with people, signifying hope, redemption, and celebration. It's also common in movies and books, where the hero's journey is a central plot element, with the return being the culmination of the story. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, heroes return, for you. It's a beautiful expression that carries depth and history, adding weight to the stories we tell and the achievements we celebrate. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English language content.